Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here with a new video on Microsoft Word. Now, in this video, we'll be solving the most common problem in the Microsoft Word, and trust me, this is a time saver. Table of index or table of content is something that every person has to do in the Microsoft Word for whatever document they are preparing. And that would be a cherry on the top if the table of contents contain the page number. Now let us see how do we do that. Traditionally, what we do is we write the headings separately. Like we make a separate sheet, we write introduction, and we do all of these things, and we manually insert the page number. Okay, so this is what we do. And this is pretty much time consuming, and this takes a lot of time, a lot of energy. And also, if you are making any further changes in the document, then you have to redo the entire thing. You have to do a lot of calculations in the page number, you have to refer, you have to do a lot. Now, let me show you a very simple trick with a help of which you can make this table of contents along with page number in a fraction of second. So let's get started. Before starting, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. So let's get started. Now let me delete this. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to insert the styles here and be sure that you are uniform with your styles. So here for terms of service, I've taken it as heading, and the subheadings I've taken it as heading 2. This is also heading 2. And let me see here, even here it says heading 2. And when this is heading 2. Here I would like to add on that I have made a tutorial on how to apply styles in Microsoft Word. Here I have explained how to apply existing style, how to modify it, and also how to customize your own style. So if you have any questions regarding the applicability of styles in Microsoft Word, please do refer this video and also let me know if you have any questions. Okay, let us make this table of contents. I'll make it here. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is go to references. In references, click on this table of contents. Now here you have the option automatic table contents, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 1, table of contents. You can find various options. And also if you want to have a custom one, then you can select here. You can choose the one that you want, like how do you want. You can select on modify, and you can do the customization as per your requirements. Here I'm not making any customization, but I'm taking it from here. So this one, you can see my table of contents is ready. So you can see contents, terms of service, introduction, our service provider, applicable terms. This is ready here. All you have to do is click on this table of contents and choose the style that you would prefer in your document. And now we made some changes. Okay, so now here you have this applicable term in page number 2. Page number 2, let me move it to page number 3. Okay, so now this is in the page number 3. And what I do here is I come here, click on this update table, update page number only, update entire table. I would suggest you to choose update entire table every time you make any changes. But still, if you're very confident that no, page number is only the change that you have made, or if you would like to go through that, then it is fine to select update page number. Or else, please prefer update entire table, click OK. So your applicable term is moved to page number 3. So this way you can have the auto-generated table of content for the Microsoft Word file that you are working on. Let me know in the comments if this was a time saver, or you found this very helpful and it will be applicable in your daily routine. And also if you have any question, please feel free to comment, and also you can connect to me via the WhatsApp number that is appearing on the screen. And thank you for watching. Before moving to the next video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.